Hi everyone, I'm happy to uh, teach the lecture lecture 10. Should be lecture 10. Yeah. We need to continue work on the server, the business server. Last time we finished the server dispatcher for to process incoming request, but we still have another type of message. It's a notification. So we need to finish the notification. So a notification is simple. It's more compared with request dispatcher. It's simple because for this one there's 5 placeholder, but for this code only 3 one. So first we need to program the thread first to process. This thread is responsible processing the incoming notification. The notification is a place order notification, right? Place order notification thread. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So the placeholder is simple, just one notification, one placeholder is here. Is that notification we should process. Place order. So we need to import some other new classes. Import notification dispatcher. This one, okay. Some classes have the same name because I program a lot of demos. This is not the first time for me to program online. I also program in some classes in my university. So some code existed. They have same name. Okay. Here, what we need to do, please order notification. Notification should be specified here. Then while loop is shut down. The other one is empty. The first one is detect whether the thread is closed or shut down. And then second while loop detect whether the message exists in its queue. Surround it with exception. And then because it's a notification and no response need to be generated, so it just print such a message. That's all, right? Because it's simple code. If you want to do something here, you need to replace this line with something in your application. Query, no, notification, please order. Notification, the clan name, just do something simple. The book name, maybe the payment, book count, payment. Okay. After that, we need to dispose the message to save memory. Then please hold down here. Okay, let's go. Then this thread to process incoming notification is finished. It's easy. It's easy, right? Straightforward, easy. If you are the first time to, it's the first time for you to program this code, maybe you feel a little bit difficult. But when you program many times, a couple of times, you will think, you must believe this is straightforward. It's straightforward. Creator should be programmed at this time. This creator also used by notification dispatcher. This is, which is a thread pool to manage the place order thread. Okay. Copy it. Paste it here. And the notification create thread. Then remove it. Okay, add it here. Then what else? New it. The constructor is easy, right? Just one parameters. So this one is not meaningful name. Change it. Remove it. Okay. Next, we can program on the server side for the server dispatcher again. We can make a copy here. Okay, that's easy, right? Then place order notification. You can see why program is server side. Although the server side is difficult system. However, when I program this one, I just make a lot of copy paste operation. Everyone can do that. Even you have no any experience to program a server over the internet, right? It's very easy for you to do that. Very easy. Import them. Okay, almost done. Okay. Then I don't like any warnings in my system. Just remove it. And then there's a lot of code here, so it's better for us to make copy paste. Remove it. Change it to our class. Replace. Make replacement. Okay, here, the creator. Okay. Next, dispose it. Then we need to process the incoming notification within the process method. You can also type if you like. Some simple code we can just type, but some more complicated ones we just make a copy. Paste it here. Okay. If you don't like these comments, we can remove them. It should be place order notification. Change the message print on the server when the message received. Okay. Remove all the warnings. It's almost done. I think the server side is done. It should be done, not almost done. The server side should be done, right? Start server. We just if you like, you can check it. It should be all finished. So next we need to create a clan. Clan is not created. Create a clan. If you have no idea how to create a clan, we can follow example here. For example, this one. This is another example. But the example is not uploaded on the server, so it's better for us to find this code is not exist on the GitHub. So it's better for us to follow some example in GitHub system. So now the clan side should use the eventer, remote event, synchronous eventer or using the remote reader to interact with the server. So it's better. Another approach for you to find the example is in this way. We can, for example, it's a client code, right? It's a client system code. Like some primitive API exists here. So now, for example, if you want to use this one, this is synchronous remote eventer. If you want to use this one to interact with the server, then you can retrieve this code. So there are example here, because all the packages, all the code used synchronous remote eventer. So you can follow it to create your own client side. So here on the client side, maybe it's better for okay, we just follow this example. Follow example. We name it. This is almost the same, right? Oh, okay, maybe it's almost the same because I'll do a lot of. Maybe we'll change another one. We have maybe all the things the same because I create a lot of seamless pattern. Maybe this one. Okay, maybe this one is better because the different start. It's not so good for us to do the same thing. So we just follow another example. Okay, business eventer. I think when you program with the distributed parameter, it should be straightforward, but I have a better approach to do that in the later classes. If you still believe it's difficult, but I don't think it's difficult. So here, we just make a copy paste here. Copy all the code here. It's a singleton here. There is one additional API, it's called free clan, right? So here, replace it, replace it, replace. No, it's wrong. Okay, so the notification should be changed. Notification is book title, and this is the place order notification, and this is the title of the book. Imported, pay much attention to the class that has the same name. And what else? I think this one should be changed. This one, the address, you can see the IP address because the server need to send the data to the server, but the IP address is not proper. I will show you how to run this system because this system running on the same server on a single computer. So on a single here should be changed. On a single computer, so the IP address should be 127.0.0.1. Please order notification. One arrow is here. Let me take a look. Let me open it. Something wrong here? Oh, please order contains multiple information, not this one. I do not remember the code here, so it should be. Let me take a look at here. The 5 parameters for this please order notification. It's a little bit complete. So it should be username, clan name, book name, book count, payment. Okay, so CN, BN, BC, payment. Okay, that's great. So this one is finished. So here is a singleton here. It makes code simple. It's not standard design patterns in to GreatFree, but it doesn't matter. I think because to make the code simple, singleton may be easier, right? So easy for you to use it. So here, I don't think this pattern is so important. Everybody can use it in its according to its own preference, right? So in my solution, I usually create a for this because the client side is very simple. So you can determine how to use this API. This is the free client, so it's just a site something here to check the resources, and then to monitor resources, right? And then we need to just do initialization, and then the client is finished. It's easy, right? Next, maybe we can change the name. Client. Next, we need to use the please order notification is sent from the client to the server. Now the IP address should be changed. So maybe we still use the config to set up the IP address, server IP. Server IP should be English because we in our demo, I just use one computer, so it's simple, right? No, it should be integer. Okay, that's a port number. Then we replace it here. Server IP, and next port. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's easy. Next, we need to use a remote reader to send a request and get a response. If you have no idea how to program that, you just find the sample code. The client side, go to the system. We can use a similar way to find the sample code for remote reader. Okay, maybe we use this one. A little bit complicated. We can find a simple one, right? Business reader. That's the same thing. Maybe here. What about this one? Okay, we can use this one. This is a sample code to design our client. Business reader. This is simple because the business reader, first we need to, we can take a look here, how it can be used. Business reader. Let me follow some other code. I don't like this code. Maybe this one? Yeah, this one is better. Okay. First, we still need to initialize it, right? Initialize it. Because the remote reader is already a singleton, so you just need to initialize here first, and it's better. It's because it's singleton. It's better for us to do it in this way. And next, maybe we need to shut down it. Shut down. shut down it. Okay. Some exception should be catch or through. Next time we just can through it. It's a simple code. You can determine whether to process inside the method or through it out. Next, we need to do that in this way. Okay. Title. Then what else? We can follow the code here to save us some time. Right. So the book or the request should be changed. The title should be replaced. Next, there is an ID here, just keep it here. Request, there exception, just through it. Okay, and okay, it's better for us. Maybe after response is received, we can return the book. It's more straightforward. Looks clean. I think there are no. If in the real code, maybe you will detect why the response is no. I think we can for this process. This code is better, right? It's clean. So the book is returned. Okay. So the reader and eventer are finished. Next, what we need to do. We just need to use this eventer and the reader to do what we want to do, to interact with the server. Should be 20 seconds. Okay. Then first we need to business eventer. Notify. For example, client name, maybe Smith. The book name, Java. The by 2, and the payment is $5. Okay, that's easy. We can just keep through to make the code clean. I think that we should request first. So get a book, Java. Then we need to print something here. Book, which we need to print the book. because we got a book, right? We got a book. Through the exception. Then the book should be printed here. Author. Title. Price. Then we just get and then we first made the request, then we send this notification to the server to place order. Order is placed. Next, we just need to wait. So that developer can press any button to terminate the server or terminate the client. Then all the resources can be collected. Then business reader shut down, business eventer dispose. Okay, I think the client is finished. Almost done, right? This one should be closed. The scanner. Okay, I think I finished all the code. I already finished all the code. Now I want to show you how to run this code. And first, because we haven't talked about how to set up the environment. So in the next class, I will spend some time discussing how to set up environment. But this time we need to deploy the code to the server, to the system, to the environment, so we can use it. So you can understand. You can just show or understand. It's very easy to program with distributed primitives for a complete system. And this is just when I run it, you will know it's sure, right? It's evidence for my system. So here, we just need to. I do not remember the package where we can find it, right? Here, I need to just check the parse to get the source code we just created. This is the code we created, right? This is the code I created. So here, I need to deploy this code to the server. Here, remove. Not here. This directory, okay? And then we copy it here. Then we package it next we need to send it to the remote server. Remote server, the IP address should be 7. If you have a such a distributed programming environment, so you can deploy the code we just created to the server. Okay, that's done. Next, go here. This is environment. So here, maybe this is case study, TNCS. Okay. Here it's empty. So how to do that? I can show you how to do that. It should be easy, right? Access server. I call my system win. And there are some code here. I need to copy. This is a client server, right? So I just need to copy these two projects here, but this project is different from us. You can take a look here. The package is different. There are different stuff, right? So but the package what I use in the environment is AND. I use AND to do that, to program. So first, we need to copy the system, the two project and project here. Now what I can do, but the code is different, right? We just remove the code and this is the code we just programmed, right? So it's all the code is here, but I just for the server side, if we want to run the server side, we need to make some change here. Start server, but the code is different. CA and DP, yeah, that should be this. That should be correct, right? Next, we need to change the client. That's the same thing, right? Do the same thing. And then if your client want to be created, to be started, we just change this XML. CA DP. Okay, that's done. Now this should be start client. Okay, so let's show this demo here. First, we use the code is already deployed. So I want to start up to terminal. And then I start server from here. It's better for us to compile it first. Okay, no problem. Then start the server. Server starting. Okay, make compare. Okay, run it. Oh, something wrong here. Oh my god. Oh, it should not be initialized. The client is not initialized. Right? It's normal we have some problems for each code, for each project, even though I am the inventor. I program the techniques I invented. I also can make some mistakes. That's why program is difficult. Copy it, paste. So I deploy it again. Program is not so, it's difficult. Coding is difficult. I have already made it as simple as possible, but still some problems. So it's normal. Make mistakes is normal. Oh, inventor also should be initialized. I forget it. Sorry about that. This one should be initialized. Sorry for that. Okay, deploy it again. Then let us do it again. Oh, something wrong here. This should be IP address is not correct. IP address not correct. What's wrong with here? Oh, right. IP address should be correct, right? Server port. Oh, server port. Server side has some problem. Server port. When I start a server, the server has server port. You can see here, that's different. Okay, I make another mistake here. Server port. That's a problem I should resolved. Okay, server had also some problems, a lot of problems. So when you program something, you must pay much attention to the details. I think every experienced programmer know that. Okay, I just want to deploy it again. Server had also some problems. Okay, let us try again. This time is a server problem, so we go to the server side. Okay, we just control it, close it. Okay, and then run the server, run the client. What's wrong? What's wrong with it? Let me see. What's wrong with the code? The client. There's a problem on the server. I need to check. I should finish the project. Before the class is finished. So I want to check. I think it's not difficult problem. Oh, here's some problem. I'm sorry. This IP address is not changed. I'm sorry for that. This is the IP address issue. So IP. Port. The client still has some problems. Okay, this time everything should be fine. Let me check. Unclose. Okay, the server side, the client side should be upgraded. Let me ensure both sides is the latest code. Okay, this is the server. This is the client. Okay. Let's start server again. Okay, let's start. Right. We can, if we press the enter, the client is exist, but the server side is not terminated. So because I haven't execute this code on the server. The business server, there's stop. You can see here, this stop is never executed. I'm not sure whether you have any idea to solve this issue. So we cannot stop the server side with Ctrl C is not correct. So we can correct this problem in the future classes. It should be easy. It just send a message from the client to the server and stop the server. Okay. I think it should be easy, right? When you program with a GreatFree, using its distributed primitives, it's easy to program distributed system. Although it's simple, but it's already told you some basic features I have told in the previous classes. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you next time. Thank you.